Now, this is the catch, okay? I'm just gonna simplify it very easily, and that will be actually easy for you to follow. Imagine there's a box, okay, like this, and you want to attach the deltoid to it. It's almost like look at the muscles like puzzle pieces, okay? So if I were to like include the deltoid on top of this is how I would do it like. So there's a top region, okay, like the top region right here, and then there's this bottom region right here. You see what I'm saying? So this one is like this. If I am doing this rubber band thing again, the cross contour thing vertically, this is how it would look like. You see what I'm saying? Okay. So this is how the muscle is attached to your side, okay, a side of your body basically. Okay. So this kind of simplifies it. Okay. So if you are ever making deltoids, remember, or any muscle, you know, just remember the structure of it. Okay. These muscles are like puzzle pieces, like fitted together. So it's like a horseshoe kind of thing, okay, where this would be flat because obviously the deltoid has a top edge and then the side edges, okay, like here. And can you feel the depth of this? See, this is a thick muscle right here, okay. This is how it basically looks like, okay. So here's a chest muscle again. The thing is, the deltoid never attaches to the same point, okay. So for example, in the previous one, see, okay, it's coming here, it's attaching right here. The red one comes here, attached to this point, and the blue one would come in and attach to the point underneath, right? It's not going to happen like this. This muscle twists over, okay. Yeah, there's a twist in there as well, okay, literally and metaphorically as well, okay. So how does this thing actually work? Like, so what do we have to do is just to like take the same thing over again. Take the first part, okay, and then see, I'm just doing a subtle S rhythm to it. You see what I'm doing? I'm not attaching it directly, you know, like this. I'm making a subtle twist to this muscle, okay, right here, right there, subtle twist. Which means the second part would also have the twist coming, and then due to this, the third part would also have the twist, and that would attach to the front. So even in the front view or in the 3/4 view, you can see the muscle kind of twist a little bit and attach to the side of the side of the arm bone. Okay, and that's when you see like all the three parts coming. Okay, if I want to do this in the top view. Now see what's gonna happen. First what I do, I just make the whole shape of the deltoid. Now this is I'm giving you a way to do it easily. Okay, so I basically know where it spans from, from where to where. So obviously half of the collarbone, leaving that intraclavicular fascia. I am just doing this, and then half of your spine, spine or scapula. This is where you attach. This is the whole deltoid muscle, okay, from the top. Now what I do basically is that's when I create like these two S rhythms, and it would be okay like this. See, so that's a very quick, easy way. Instead of making these individual parts, okay, it's a very quick, easy way to just show the whole shape of the muscle and then just wrap those two S's inside of it. Okay, you just need to know the correct origin, because at the origin point they will be coming from where they are, right? So the first region, the second region, and the third region. And usually instead of making this, I'm usually converting that to planes, okay, because obviously I'm thinking everything as a box. Okay, so I'm thinking of them as planes, and then you can easily do this S rhythms to it, like this. Okay, so how it's gonna look from front? Okay, that's the question now. So that's it from the front. Now the twist is more visible. Okay, you can also see the normal version of the deltoid, which is let's say this version right here. You can see like the untwisted form. I have to show you guys here. So I don't know, see something like this, and you would stand something like this, and you can turn this slide off. You can rotate it a little bit like this. I'm just gonna stop sharing and show you. I'm gonna pin my video here. Okay. So you see something like this, right? This is a neutral position. and you can turn, not turning the whole arm, you can turn your just arm like this a little bit, okay, just your arm here a little bit. So that's when you see like the twisted version. You see there's like creases in my mini shirt right now, so that would be the normal version. And when I kind of twist this a little bit, see these S's would form like that. So imagine those as like my muscle fibers, okay, like this and a little bit like this. Getting? That's a terrible
Yes, yes.
presentation, but
Got it.
hope that yeah, that's a terrible presentation, but hope it kind of helps you.
Good. That's quite good.
See that on a muscular person, not